अमेरिकी हमले का पहला ईरानी जवाब। इसराइल के दिल तल अवीव की ईंट से ईंट भिजा दी गई है। CNN के रिपोर्टर रॉबर्टसन पहले से तबाहशुदा इलाके में पहुंचे हैं और उन्होंने क्या देखा, आइए आपको भी दिखाते हैं।
Now into the blast damage site in Tel Aviv. This is the first time we've been able to get in here and take a look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the buildings. Look at these buildings. Look at the buildings here. Right along here. This is the first time we've been able to get in and take a look. We've been able to see this apartment building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maybe apartments there on 3 different floors. So that's more about 24 apartments. And then over on this side here, a small house, another building here, just collapsed and torn apart. And the back of the other building, back of the apartment building here. Across the country, we've heard of 86 people taken to hospital. And you look at this damage here in the middle of Tel Aviv. This was Iran's first response following the United States strike on Iran. And just look at the debris down here. Twisted, shredded, ripped apart. The rescue crews have been through here already. It's a scene of complete devastation here.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।